You aren't.
Oh,
You're
that's
Mela.
new.
That's new, and I was like,
Okay.
damn you.
Maybe he likes me or something, and like he wants. I don't know why I
Obviously.
thought that,
देखो
but
मलिया को बुला
I
रहा है,
just
बॉय बुला रहा है
I
तो. So that girl said, I won't touch him. I'm not gonna touch him because.
and he's like, वो मुझे पूछना था, are you a Chelsea?
Hello and welcome to another episode of About Time with Balad Alamtab. I am Balad Alamtab and this is About Time. इतना तो आपने पढ़ ही लिया होगा. Hopefully you enjoyed this teaser that I made for you guys. And first of all, thank you. I know you enjoyed my natural acting a lot. So today's topic is going to be bullying and how it affects a person mentally, physically, and how it changes a person mentally and physically. Also, I would really want to thank our guest today for sharing their experience with me, and because it takes a lot of courage to share such personal experiences. So, clapping. So, before I start this episode, I would want to say nothing. So, go watch. Go. और इसके साथ ही मैं आज के हमारे अजीम मेहमान को बुलाना चाहूँगा. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our guest, मलिया अरशद परवेज. मलिया, कैसी हैं आप?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. आप
मलिया,
कैसे हैं?
आपको अपनी घड़ी दिखानी थी, एक बार आप लोगों को अपनी घड़ी
Oh
दिखा दो.
yeah.
So, I'll tell you guys a little bit about Malia. I met her for the first time around 4 or 5 years ago. She is my really good friend. She is Rida Rashid's really good friend. So I met her at her birthday, जहाँ पे ये मैकडोनल्ड्स के बाहर छोटे छोटे गरीब बच्चों को मार रही थी बिकॉज
That is not true.
बिकॉज वो बच्चे आके छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे, छोटे से बच्चे थे, और वो उनको
And
मार रही थी,
Was
इसको
it a
रोना आने
balloon?
वाला था because they were snatching a balloon
आपके
from
हाथ
her.
में
I feel
दो
like
And I
No, it
was
wasn't
like,
a
you're making me
diamond.
sound like a
it was a
bully.
balloon. आपके हाथ में
I'm
दो.
not the
No,
topic.
you were
No,
getting
it wasn't a diamond. No, you were getting bullied though by those kids, and I tried helping her at that time. So, आपसे बेहतर कौन इस टॉपिक को जानेगा because you've been through it recently by 5-year-old kids. But moving on to the topic, Malia, I'm gonna share a story with you about an experience with you. जो
Is it
मैं
one
गुजरा हूँ.
experience or is it a couple
So
of?
please do not cry because it gets intense. मैं it's one. एक काफ़ी था मेरे लिए, एक काफ़ी था. One incident which went on for like, आप चाहती हैं कि कई सारे हुए होंगे, मज़ा आएगा, 5-6 सुनाओ ना बता आज. मगर एक ही हुआ था. So I'll tell you how it started. So ये अच्छा, wait, let me change the lighting. Yeah, pink is too pink.
I got my study lamp.
I think this is fine. Guys, as you can see, I'm sweating a bit. मैंने इससे पहले एक डेनिम जैकेट पहनी हुई थी, जो मैंने देखा मुझे प्यार इतना है आप लोगों से कि मैंने कहा मैं डेनिम जैकेट पहनूंगा. फिर जब मेरा बुरा हाल हुआ ना, मैंने उसको उठा के फेंका. मैंने कहा देखो इतना प्यार नहीं है. अच्छा, सो मलिहा, सो आई स्टार्ट विद व्हाट
Sabaranch.
आई वेंट थ्रू. तो देखिए, ये बात होती है शुरू हुई थी व्हेन इन ग्रेड 8 माय सेक्शंस चेंज्ड. एंड जब सेक्शन चेंज हुए, ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स वेंट in other sections and I was in another section. So when this happened, I was with a new lot of guys, boys, bullies. So जब मैं उनकी section में गया तो I was basically alone. क्या बोलते हैं उसे, एक अच्छा लफ्ज़ बताओ. Stranded in the island with new guys. So I would say an easy target.
So what started was
So जब ये हुआ, so randomly one day, अच्छा, बैक स्टोरी ये है कि आई हैव बिन कॉल्ड डार्क एंड काला एंड कालाज मल्टीपल टाइम्स इन माई लाइफ, एंड आई नो हाउ टू डील विद इट. बचपन से लेके अब तक मुझे ब्लैक जोक्स आर वेरी वेरी कॉमन इन पाकिस्तान. हम लोग बड़े आराम से बोल देते हैं, एंड इट्स नॉट इवन दैट ऑफेंसिव फॉर मी ऑनेस्टली बिकॉज आई एम फाइन विद इट. बट मुझे कोई बचपन से बोला जा रहा है, लिटरली फ्रॉम KG ये बोला जाता है. सो जब मैं इस क्लास में आया तो एक मेरे लिए एक नई चीज़ शुरू हुई विच वॉज कॉल्ड विच वॉज दैट दे स्टार्ट कॉलिंग मी मेला, लाइक यू नो मेला मेल. सो इन्होंने मुझे मेला बोलना शुरू किया एंड दिस वॉज सच ए न्यू थिंग फॉर मी. ये भाई के लिए इतना एक डिफरेंट सा एक आया था, अ ब्लैक जॉब विच वॉज सो डिफरेंट विच आई हैडंट एवर एक्सपीरियंस बिफोर. कि दे weren't saying कि बलास तुम काले हो, तुम इतने तुम्हारा रंग काला है. दे वर सेइंग कि तुम शायद गोरे होगे बट ये जो तुम्हारा रंग ऐसा इसलिए बिकॉज तुम्हारे ऊपर मैल है. दिस इज डर्ट ऑन यू. You aren't.
Oh,
You're
that's
Mela.
new.
That's new, and I was like,
Okay.
damn, you win. I'm sorry. I give up, bro. So ये जो हुआ, so I was like, नहीं नहीं, मैं रगड़ के दिखाता था, नहीं नहीं, मैं काला हूँ, ये मैल नहीं है, मैं काला हूँ. So no, I didn't actually do that. Don't make a sad face. So, but I didn't know how to deal with it, honestly. I knew how to deal with things like, you know, जब क्लास में लाइट चली जाती थी तो एकदम से लड़के बोलते थे ओ बलाज कहाँ है, बलाज कहाँ है. सो आई वुड लाइक हाँ हाँ तुम तो बड़े नज़र आ रहे हो. बट सो आई बहुत चीज़ें बोली जाती थी. बट दिस वॉज बीइंग सेड इन सच अ वे के मेकिंग मी सीम एंड लुक डर्टी. सो द डे दिस हिट मी वॉज when this girl in my class who I knew for years before that and I was actually decent friends with her as well was तो एक दिन P display था. So that girl said I won't touch him. I'm not gonna touch him because we had to hold hands and do something. So do the display. So she's like, no, I'm not gonna touch Balaz, bro. I can't touch him. He's Mela. So I was like, damn, bro, this is really catching on. This is becoming a. People are starting to believe it. Like she didn't say it essay. She meant it that she doesn't want to grab my hand because I'm Mela. I won't name her obviously because बाद में भी थोड़ी दोस्त बन गई मेरी. Even then I won't name her. But खैर, so I was like, shit, this is bad. So during that phase of, I would say, almost a year, things started in August and started getting for me in like March, April में जाके. So my confidence was, you know, shattered. It was shattered completely because
Yeah.
मुझे आइडिया ही नहीं था कि मैं अब क्लास में किस तरह कुछ बोलूँ. बिकॉज आई वुड ऑलवेज फील लाइक कि लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं इस तरफ से, इस नज़र से कि वो कब मेरा मजाक उड़ाएं, कब मुझे क्या बोलें, कब मुझे इंसल्ट करें. सो आई स्टॉप स्पीकिंग अप इन क्लास बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीज़न एंड आई बिकेम दिस रियली awkward kid. So
Did you ever tell your parents or like discuss this with your siblings?
this is the first time I'm speaking about this, bro. I haven't
Oh,
ever.
wow.
I don't think my siblings even know about this. जब वो vlog देखेंगे, podcast देखेंगे तो उन्हें समझ आएगा कि उनका भाई कैसे गुजरा, किन चीज़ों से गुजरा. So but खैर तो so that's what I'm saying कि what they did was a joke for them, but what happened to me and what I went through emotionally and mentally, they didn't even understand and realize because that's the thing. Ke, whoever those kids were in my class, they're really good friends of mine now. I'll tell you the name after the podcast who did this. You'll be shocked. But they.
Will they be watching this?
Yeah, probably. So. So they're not
Oh,
like this
wait.
anymore. So okay, I know we've talked about this a lot. We laugh about this. He had no idea that this is how I felt about it, and he felt really bad about it. Obviously, that's the thing. That's what I'm saying. For a bully or anyone, they don't realize what the person's going through. The day they understand and realize, and you know, उनको एक समझ आ जाए कि मेरे इन वर्ड्स का इस बंदे पे क्या इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, क्या असर हो रहा है. I don't think they would ever bully anyone again. So that's the thing. Abhi recently also, there is this person who I know from, I won't tell from where, but yeah, I know him. So abhi mujhe exactly, you know, why I thought about my own experience, because I met him and I saw what happened to him. And that guy is in a horrible state just because of bullying, and I saw how he got bullied, and I know what he was like and now what all he's into because of bullying. And by into you mean what he's into now, just because of bullying. To get acceptance, to be cool, to get, you know, कि ओ ये बंदा तो ये सब करता है तो ये तो cool होगा, but he's not understanding कि इससे वो बिल्कुल भी cool नहीं हो रहा है. So that's the thing. That's what bullying can do. So it's about time we stop.
Yeah.
So Malia, आप
That's
बताइए
really, yeah.
your experiences with getting bullied.
I like I had a similar issue. It was something about okay, so I grew up in Islamabad, you know this, and I when I was in grade 3. How old are you in grade 3? 7, सात आठ
Yeah,
साल के,
nahi, nahi, I
and
was, yeah.
yeah, so I like my skin started changing in a way like I had vitiligo. It's like white spots, and I had eczema and stuff. And जब इस्लामाबाद में ठंड पड़ती है, it gets like very dry and stuff. And my skin, like my face, would become scaly. Like imagine dandruff on your face, all right? And I had a lot of white patches on my face. And I remember like everyone would like stare at me. Like that was already upsetting enough for me. Like my skin was like different from the ordinary 7-year-old skin, like clear skin. जैसे होती है um, 7-year-old skin, and mine was just different, and that was already upsetting enough. And then people would like stare at me a lot, and I had people ask my mom and like my sisters like if they should touch me or like if it's contagious and stuff. Like it
Acha.
was bad, and yeah, it was really bad. And I was affected by it also because my parents were very possessive about me, and they didn't let me go out in the sun much. So jab like the games वगैरह हो रहे थे, I would be in my class while everyone else. And like obviously when you're that age, like those prime years, like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, you obviously that's like the usi वक्त like you go out with your friends more and like you play more and all of that. And I wasn't allowed to do that stuff. So I was already like very depressed about it. And then uske upar, I had a lot of people like comment on it. Like everyone would just ask me and like laugh at me. And this one guy, special one guy, whose name I don't remember, but
Let's
if I
not name
open
him.
my yearbook,
Let's
I
not
will,
name him.
let's not name him, but I will recognize his face from the yearbook. Anyway, so he once, I remember like we used to have like a huge basketball court, okay? So he called me once, and he was a year senior, I think, and he was like, I need to talk to you. And I was just like, oh. And I thought like, oh, maybe he likes me or something, and like he wants. I don't know why I
Obviously.
thought that, but
देखो मलिया को बुला
I
रहा है,
just,
बॉय बुला रहा है
I just thought
तो
that
I love
he
you.
was so like, oh, like he was all like, oh, like discreet about it, like, oh, like, can you like, I need to talk to you, can you come to the corner and stuff? And I was just like, oh, like,
प्यार है
So
प्यार.
anyway, I
Yeah.
go, and he's like, वो मुझे पूछना था, are you a Chelsea? And I didn't know what jersey. I didn't know what jersey meant. And then I was just like, what? And he was just like, oh, because of your face.
Damn.
And
How old were
I'm
you?
guessing,
How
I
old
don't
were
know.
you?
I would say 10 or 11. And
10 or
that like
11.
that
And he is asking
yeah.
you that question at that age.
And
Acha, khair.
and he asked me if I was a Chelsea. I didn't know. I knew Chelsea was like it was like drugs and stuff.
देखो आप तो
And उस
जानती होंगी.
ज़माने में I thought हाँ, very funny. And I thought that शायद इसको करने से लोगों का skin ऐसा हो जाता है. I don't know what it meant, but I knew that he was just making fun of me because I remember saying, and I didn't know how to get out of the conversation, so I was just like, oh, let me just like get back to you. I literally said to him, "एक minute, just give me a
So,
second,"
so,
and I
so
ran
wait,
away.
so this guy took you to the corner and asked you if you're a Chelsea.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing he
Yep.
wanted some from you. कोने में ले गया, he's like, अपने dealer का number तो दे. Guessing that was his motive.
Could be, but because I asked him, I was like, "What is that?" I was just like, "What?" He's just like, "Oh, because like he did this, right?"
Oh.
And I was just like, "Wow, like that is not okay." And I remember just like running away and escaping that conversation, and I could hear his like, Acha, also his friends were already in a corner. They had planned this. It was a bunch of guys
Oh.
who had wanted to ask me this question for a while.
And these guys were your
And
age?
no, they were like I think a year older. Yeah, 1 year
Acha.
senior.
Okay.
Yeah. And I was just like, okay, I obviously didn't go and like tell my mom because I was always this, oh, like I'm cool, like nothing affects me, and like I'm a badass person. And I would cry on my own, but I never spoke to my mom about this and stuff. But it was like heartbreaking, and it was just that, and because everyone constantly stare at me and ask me questions and just like look at like just like pity me,
Yeah,
and I remember for so long, like when I would have like a one-on-one conversation with someone, like in real life, I would never look up. Like I would always look down, even if it was teachers, even when I came to Karachi, like
So
when I
wait,
went to
was
university,
this
I would
thing you had,
not
this osteoporosis name you took for this disease, was this,
with Rico and eczema.
uh, I was very close. Was this thing,
Yep,
like,
always.
would it come at times, or was this there just with you all the
So
time?
the eczema was mostly like winter related. and like dryness related, but जब धूप होती थी तो like my white patches would like become very prominent.
Also, it was like very frequent.
And
It was धूप related, so काफी frequent
yeah,
होगा.
so yeah, but you know what I think? I think that bullies are actually just really weak people, and they only target people whom they think are weaker than them. And most of the time, I think it's also projection. I feel like it's a coping mechanism. Okay, like they are insecure about certain things in their life. Okay, and in some areas they're very secure about it. But they see someone कि वो कहते हैं कि चलो इस बंदे के पास तो ये नहीं है जो मेरे पास है, so I'm gonna make them feel bad about it, so I feel good about myself. You know,
Yeah,
it's like
I
a
just
power
feel
move.
like
It's kind of like a
it's
power
where
move.
you're right about the coping mechanism, because I feel like जो bully है, the only reason why they bully is because उनमें they lack some confidence in themselves. Because
Oh yeah, they
if
have low self-esteem.
because अगर किसी
There is
में
something.
yeah, because if a person is fully confident about themselves and about how they're perceived by other people, they would never want to put another person who's in front of them down to make themselves look better. So there's no need for you to look or be better than the person in front of you by only putting them down. There are a billion other ways. So I would want to tell the bullies, people who are bullying people, कि अपना अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस लाओ. देयर इज़ नो नीड टू बुली, बिकॉज it's all about confidence. You can't only succeed in life by putting other people down and उनसे आगे इसी तरह आगे बढ़ना है. That's not the way to go. Some people are good at it, doing this, but it's the worst way to be, because you don't know what you're doing to the other person. You're shattering their confidence. You're shattering, you know, everything for them, because they don't want to leave their house, then they want to stay home. They just feel judged the entire time. They just feel like वो मुंह खोलेंगे और उनको exactly उनको मुंह खोलेंगे और उनको कुछ कुछ टेढ़ा रिमार्क आएगा, कुछ बोल दिया जाएगा. सो आई फील लाइक इट्स ऑल अबाउट बुली. बुली जो है, तुम भी इंसान हो, तुम भी मेरे दोस्त हो, मेरे भाई हो. Just believe in yourself, believe in whatever God has given you. You yourself are good enough to be loved by other people. You can have a sense of humor which is self deprecating, and it is not about making the other person in front of you उसको humiliate करके ही दूसरे लोगों को हंसाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. I feel
No,
like
empty, by the way. I'm just flexing.
पाकोला का flex किया जा रहा है.
It's lemonade. It's not the green wala.
बस even
But you
cooler.
know what you're saying
But like I
about-
was gonna ask you one thing. Don't you think कि self-deprecating humor is the best humor? जो लोग अपना मजाक उड़वा के लोगों को हंसा लें is the best way to go. I love those people who can crack jokes on themselves rather than making fun of other people. जो खुद का मजाक उड़ा के लोगों को हंसा ले is the best according to me.
Yeah. Okay, so having said that we think that it's a reflection of their insecurities, I also think that bullies like we see them as bad and horrible people and they do bad things, but I also think that kabhi kabar it's basically a lot of suppressed feelings.
Exactly.
I feel like they have already they've already been bullied. They've been victimized, victims of bullying.
Victimized.
I said victimized. Shut up. And I think it's a lot of things. You know, I think it's maybe domestic issues. It could be parents splitting or parents already divorced. It could be stress. It could be someone's death that's affecting them. It could be relationships. And what they do is there's so much built up anger. They channel that anger into bullying. They feel a sense of power and control. कि हम
Exactly.
ये करेंगे. For like a little while, we will forget about our own problems in putting others down. And that is really bad. But I feel like हम bullies किस तरह देखते हैं कि they're bad people, but we should be nicer to them. Like maybe suggest
Bro,
help
okay,
and
honestly,
stuff.
as you know, I've done this podcast yesterday already. So I was having this talk with this other person who I was doing this with. Okay, everyone is
Sorry,
going.
you're not here, buddy.
Huh?
I'm apologizing to your friend जिसकी जगह आज मैंने ले ली है.
यार उसकी साउंड में इशू था. साउंड में इशू था.
Oh, well,
So what I was saying was कि everyone is going through issues. Everyone in their own way is going through something or the other. So the bully or the person, bully, let's not categorize them as bullies. इंसान ही है यार जो हरकतें करते हैं. So that person is going through issues, and as you said, they're channeling that whatever energy that they have in themselves towards this one बेचारा शिकार जो उनका होता है या जो भी होता है उसको they take it all out on them, which is not the right way to go. I can let you guys know, all the people who want to do this to other people, if that's making you feel good, it's actually not true. It feels a lot better to make people happy and like be good to them. Be good to them. You get compliments, you get के अच्छाई की जाती है, so that feels much better than putting someone down. उसकी रंग का मजाक, वज़न का मजाक, हाइट का मजाक उड़ा दिया. Because these are things, some things aren't in the person's control and that person can't change. And when a thing which is not in a person's control, like for example my complexion wasn't in my control, so things just you just feel helpless because you just feel like, how do I get out of this? But that's the thing, there are ways to get out of it. I'll also tell you how I dealt with this, how I dealt with the situation. Basically what I did was I